How can lab glasses be cleaned efficiently, but also analytically clean? The answer is simple, with a lab washer. But why is this the case? Cleaning performance. A thorough and efficient cleaning of lab glasses is only possible with a lab washer, as it is specifically designed for this purpose and removes all residues, whether they are chemical or biological contaminants. Water and detergent are evenly and thoroughly distributed, reaching the entire surface of the glasses. Intelligent programs. Individual programs guarantee optimal results, tailored to every application. These programs also protect the delicate lab glass. Standardized process. With a lab washer, the process from cleaning to drying is fully standardized. The interaction of chemistry, mechanics, temperature and time is always coordinated in such a way that the best results are achieved for each program. These results are not only reproducible but also validatable. Additionally, narrow-necked glassware can be effectively cleaned using the injector nozzles. Comparison: manual versus automatic cleaning. Manual cleaning has a high risk of damaging the expensive glasses. Prolonged contact with aggressive chemicals, uneven use of detergents, and improper or excessive brushing can damage the surface and accelerate glass corrosion, which affects the durability of the glassware and leads to more frequent replacement. Machine cleaning is much gentler. The contact times with detergents are short and precisely controlled. The baskets and inserts are designed so that the glass is optimally placed and protected, thereby ensuring a longer lifespan of the glasses through less glass breakage and a reduction in annual replacement costs. The injector nozzles are designed to have minimal contact with the glass, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleaning process. Safety and hygiene. And finally, lab washers meet the strict safety and hygiene standards required in lab environments, often equipped with features such as HEPA filters and special drying systems to prevent contamination. Rely on quality and safety with a lab washer from Miele Professional. Discover the full range on our website.